Hey, this is Anthony with Joy of Synths, a non-musician's guide for creating sounds for your podcasts, videos, and sampling for music. In this video, we're going to look at setting up the KO2 Sampler as a MIDI controller of two analog synths. Now, in terms of connections, I have a MIDI out going to a splitter over here. So this is a splitter cable, which is going to two different MIDI inputs. So one of them is a full-size MIDI on the Kobol expander, so this is built in, and then on this SV1-b it has a MIDI to CV module over here on the left. So that's what we have going on. This flashing light is the LFO, or what they call the modulation, but it is an LFO. So what we're looking at are the gate signals. So on channel 1, and then channel 2. Okay, to set this up, what you have to do is go to Shift Sound. You're going to use the plus sign to navigate to get to mid. Then you'll use the BPM dial to change it to the different channels. So I want this one to be channel 1. This one's going to be channel 1. Now, the voltage that you're sending over is actually a MIDI message that'll be converted to voltage through your synthesizer. So long as it has a MIDI module, so a MIDI to CV module, or like the Kobol, it already has it built in, then what you'll do is work this, and I wanted this to be A1. Each one of these is an octave jump. So yeah, you first set your MIDI channel, then you use the metronome to set your note value and then the voltage. Okay, and then you just press main. The KO2 is sending messages to channel 1, which is the Kobol expander. I set the Lifeforms SV1-b to take channel 2. So that's why those sounds are coming over on the right channel. So these are separate channels that are coming through. The cool thing is you can combine them. To recap, we have the KO2 sampler working as a MIDI controller through a MIDI splitter going to the Kobol expander and then also to the Pittsburgh Modular SV1b. And it works pretty well. You can use it as a sequencer as well, in addition to just individual notes. So it's a pretty fun thing to play with, very compact. And if you wanted to go 3 ways, then you could actually turn up the volume on this, and if I hit the sequencer, we'll hear potentially all three. Going to the internal. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and sign up for our newsletter at joyofsynths.com. That comes out twice a month with info on synthesizers, specifically analog synthesizers. My name is Anthony, wishing you the joy of synths. And cut.